Sigma Electric is a leading manufacturer of electrical fittings and other precision engineered components. We are headquartered in US and have 11 world-class manufacturing facilities in India and Mexico, and also some other parts of Americas. We make products for customers in construction, power transmission, and other industries. We wanted to ensure 100% uptime for our ERP and supply chain management systems. Our previous implementation was on a rack space and was prone to operational glitches, and we turned now OCI for hosting our JD Edwards ERP and the service optimizer supply chain system. Oracle worked with Sigma around the clock to move our application in just 6 weeks. We were live ahead of schedule in spite of the COVID-19 lockdown. In addition, we estimate a cost savings up to 30% on our IT infrastructure cost, and we expect to have the performance improvement by about 25%. Our team now is able to focus on much value-added activities, such as optimizing our supply chain and manufacturing process. We expect the newly launched support reward program to further reduce our spending on Oracle technologies. We also look forward to continuing our journey with Oracle's reliable infrastructure and exceptional customer support.